An English countryside home right here in Greenwich, Connecticut.
Welcome to 30 Wilmary Lane in Greenwich, Connecticut. This home is a gorgeous stone manor, and I'm so excited to show you the inside of it because on the outside it looks like it has been here for over 100 years, but inside it is this modern, chic, easy lifestyle with a fantastic surprise for you. So come on inside.
There's a living room and office right off the entrance with reclaimed French doors from the Bowler Mansion right here in Greenwich. English homes traditionally have a billiard room. This one is superb, complete with a coffered ceiling, granite with leather finish, a wine bar, and custom built-ins. The formal dining room sparkles with urban electric sconces, an Arctic pear chandelier, and shimmery Philip Jeffries wall covering. The kitchen is bright and super functional for an accomplished cook. Large Atlantic brown granite island with lots of seating. There's imported Italian limestone throughout the kitchen with the highest quality appliances. And a large breakfast nook to boot. Step down into this fantastic family room. Designer Dale Bloomberg framed the bookcase to make it look more like a piece of art. And notice this Brazilian granite fireplace as a focal point. Now to what really makes this home special, a custom staircase designed by Canadian artist David Hind. It's a floating elliptical staircase with a remarkable custom designed railing and is the total showstopper of this home. The master bedroom opens to a sitting room with French doors that let in lots of light from the stunning balcony. There are 2 large walk-in closets to keep you organized. The room itself has plenty of light and lots of room for a king-size bed and, oh yeah, a place to store all those shoes. The master bathroom has a cascading wall of blonde river rock and limestone tile floor, Calcutta Gold counters, and radiant heat floors. There's everything you want in this luxurious bathroom. The designer used materials in this home that range from mohair velvets, linens, and silks to ostrich-like skin, raw wood, metals, hide, leather, and shagreen. It's absolutely a picturesque, perfect house.